Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the product Advanced Image Analysis for the Assessment of Retinal Vascular Changes. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract for the process. The development of an automatic telemedicine system for computer-aided screening and grading the diabetic retinopathy depends on the reliable detection of retinal lesion in fundus images. In this process, we proposed a method for automatic detection of both OD and vessel in color fundus images is described and validated. The main contribution is a new set of texture features called Geber features that do not require the previous segmentation of the region of the classified. These features represents the evolution of the textures during the image flooding and allow to discriminate between lesion and vessel segments. The method is validated pre-lesion and then the pre-image using the databases which are publicly available. Hence, the main objective of this process is to detect the optic disc region and then the vessel region separately. From that, we can justify whether the input is affected or not affected. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram for the process. This is the overall flow structure for the process. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset is the folder which consists of the several input images, sample images. Hence, after getting any one image from the dataset, the image is undergone for the pre-processing. In the pre-processing, we have done the two steps, noise filtering and then the channel separation. Noise filtering is to remove the noises present in the image. After that, the channel separation is done. Basically, the input is the RGB image. R represents the red region, G represents the green region, and then the blue represents B represents the blue regions. After extracting the RGB separately, the segmentation will be done. In this segmentation part, we done the two type of segmentation. First one is the OD segmentation, that is the optic disc segmentation. Then the second one is the vessel segmentation. Hence, the optic disc region and then the vessel region will be separate each other, and then the AVR estimation is done by using the morphological operation. In the AVR estimation, the artery region, venular region, blood vessels regions are detected. Hence, these three regions are detected separated, and then the AVR ratio will be estimated to detect the whether the input is the normal condition or in the abnormal condition. Now we are going to discuss about the initial running procedure for the process. At first, open the MATLAB 2015 and change the current directory. If you want to execute the code means, just right click in the main_GUI.m and select the option run. Now the initial GUI design was opened. In that you can see the several control actions in the top and then the several axes for the display purpose. First of all, click the file to import image. Now the dataset folder was open. In that, select any one image from the dataset. After the selection of the input image from the dataset, the corresponding image is shown in the axis 1 with the title input image. After that, click the button pre-processing. First of all, click the noise removal. Now the filtered image is shown in the axis 2. After that, channel separation will be done. First of all, I separate the red channel from the image. Hence, the red channel image is shown here, and then the green channel is separated, and then the corresponding green channel image is shown here, and then finally the blue channel is separated from the image. Now the blue channel image is shown here. After that, the image enhancement will be done by using the normalization method. Hence, the image enhancement result is shown here. After that, the segmentation is done. First of all, OD segmentation. OD segmentation will take some time and the optic disc region only extracted, hence the final optic disc region is extracted in the binary format shown in this figure, and then the optic disc region is bounded by the bounding box. After the OD segmentation, the vessel segmentation will be carried out, hence the vessel region is shown here. After the vessel segmentation, AVR estimation is done, hence the AVR image will be shown here. After the AVR estimation ratio will be done, hence the AVR ratio is 24.17 is shown here.